Hi, I'm David Terrace, partner at the Rawson Law Firm. In the federal sentencing system, there are two different places where you're looking. One is known as the United States Code, the other is the United States Sentencing Guidelines, and they work together. And there's a lot of different areas of the law within federal law that instruct the judges, they instruct the parties on both sides how the different structures, how the different sentencing schemes should ultimately be used at a sentencing hearing. So what is a sentencing hearing? A sentencing hearing in the federal system is sort of like a mini trial, but as opposed to the trial being about your guilt or innocence of a charge, it's about you and what is an appropriate sentence for you as the client. There are a lot of factors that we're going to discuss that go into it, that the defense, us, we have to consider when fashioning or recommending what we believe is an appropriate sentence. The prosecutors, known as the Assistant United States Attorneys in the federal system, are also looking at their own factors and what they feel is an appropriate sentence. But in every federal case, and this is why it's so important and so different from state court, over 90% of cases end up in some form of resolution. And no matter what form of resolution that may be, every case in the federal system, unless you're found not guilty at trial or unless the case is won via a motion, is going to end up in front of a judge for sentencing. It's going to go to this mini trial about your character. And you need an experienced federal criminal defense attorney who has done countless sentencings as we have in order to navigate the quite murky and a lot of very gray areas about the federal sentencing structure in general. All of this with the ultimate goal that when we're sitting in front of the judge, the federal judge, and the prosecution is at the other table, that we are fully prepared and in a position to get you the best possible resolution to your case.